Okay, so these are the notes for modeling with quadratic functions. So we're going to be writing quadratic equations. We're going to be identifying the a value. So what you're going to be given to do vertex form is a point, and the point should be x comma y. And you'll be given the vertex, which is going to be h comma k. And you use the vertex form, you're going to plug in y, x, h, and k, and you're going to solve for a. When we're doing intercept form, I'm going to give you a point, which is still x comma y. And then I'm going to give you x-intercepts of p and q, and you're going to use the form y equals a, x minus p, x minus q. So once again, you'll plug in for y, x, p, x, and q, but not for a. So you're going to solve for a. And then tomorrow, the day after, we'll talk about how to find it given 3 points, which will be in standard form. All right, so the first one right here says, write a quadratic function in vertex form for the parabola shown. Okay, so what we're going to get is the information we need. So first, I'm going to write down this form right here, just so I have it here to reference. So when I'm doing this, to figure out the a value, I need two things. First, I need the vertex. So in this case, the vertex is the minimum. It's 2 comma negative 2. And then I'm going to need the point that's on there. So in this case, the point they give us is 4 comma 6. All right, and then I like to label this. This is the vertex is h and k. The point is x and y. All right, so now I'm going to plug my values in. So for the y, I'm going to change it to the number 6. I don't know what a is. That's what I'm solving for. X changes to 4 minus, and then h is positive 2. So when I plug it in, it just stays, it becomes minus 2 squared. And then k is minus 2. And from here, I work it out algebraically to figure out what a is. So 6 equals a. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 equals 2 squared is 4. 4 times a is 4a. I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 over. So 8 equals 4a. And then I'm pretty sure you'll understand to isolate a, we divide both sides by 4. And we get that a is equal to 2. So now to write my equation in vertex form, I'm going to use the a value and the vertex. And I'm going to plug it into this equation. So y equals a is positive 2, parentheses x minus 2, squared, and then k is minus 2. So when you write your equation, make sure you do have y and x that are both in the equation. Those are the only two variables you should have. Everything else should have a number or shouldn't be there. Now let's talk about the intercept form. So for intercept form, we're going to write the equation y equals a, x minus p, and x minus q. So that's the general form. If you look up here, it is right there. Okay, so to solve this one, we need the x-intercepts. So in this case, the x-intercept is negative 4, 0. And the other one is 6, 0. Then we're going to find that point that they give us. So in this case, the point they give us is 1 comma 25. It looks like it could be the vertex, but I honestly don't know if it is or not. Now we're going to label it. It doesn't really matter which one is P, which one is Q. I just go in P, Q order. I just write it like that. This could be P, Q. It doesn't make a difference. My point is still X, Y. All right, so now I'm going to plug my numbers in to the equation. So for the Y, we have 25 equals, we don't know what A is, X is 1 minus negative 4. So when I plug negative 4 into here, it becomes positive 4 because a negative negative becomes positive. X again, which is 1, minus 6, and now we're going to work it out. So we have 25 equals A, 1 plus 4 is 5, 1 minus 6 is negative 5, 25 equals A times negative 25, so 25 equals negative 25A when they're multiplied. So to isolate the A, we divide both sides by negative 25. And now we come up with that A is equal to negative 1. So we're going to use A equals negative 1, and we're going to use our x-intercepts to come up with the equation now. So my final answer is going to be y equals A is negative 1. You can put negative 1 or just a negative sign. Parentheses x minus, when we plug negative 4 in, it becomes positive 4. X minus, and that's a positive 6. When we plug in, it becomes minus 6. And those are the ways you find the a value for vertex and intercept form and how to write the equation.